Did your mother ever tell you about playing a harmonica? Did she
Yeah,
ever?
she used to play the harmonica, and she used to play the
Accordion.
Accordion?
accordion.
The one-chord accordion?
That little one there.
Concertina? Or-
Concertina, like, it's got buttons on it.
Yeah. Oh, it did.
Yeah, between it's between a concertina and a big
An
one.
accordion. It's a
Accordion.
one-chord accordion, I think
Yeah,
they call it.
something
yeah.
like that, yeah.
And did
We
she
used
sing?
to have it at home.
Yeah?
Yeah, we had it home until we children, I guess, beat it all up
Oh, you used
when we
it.
were young.
Did she sing with it? Did she?
Oh, yeah, she used to sing with it.
What
Yeah?
was it?
Yeah, she used to sing
What
with it.
what kind of songs did she sing?
Mostly Indian, that Indian song there.
9 Little 10 Little.
No, that was she used to play that on the harmonica too.
All the stars shine tonight.
Yeah.
What's that?
All the stars shine tonight on pretty red wings. The night is cloudy.
Yeah. She used to sing that, Red Wing.
Red Wing. Ah. Oh, I didn't know that.
Mm.
Oh.
I knew that one from a long time ago. That must have been one that my mother sang.
Yeah. She used to play that on the harmonica too.
Wow. And your father used to tell stories at night.
He used to storyteller. Yeah.
Late at night whenever you had
Well,
fire.
after supper, and we used to sit in the winter. We used to do that,
Is that still?
and we'd sit around in a circle as kids, and we'd listen to his fairy tales.
Do you
Yeah.
remember
Great if
anything?
you'd remembered some of the fairy tales he told.
A few of them I remember slightly. They were fairy tales, like the prince and the princess, and the king and the queen.
Any magic?
Yeah.
Magic?
Yeah, sometime, yeah. He'd make it up mostly, as you went along.